We rented the scooter from Hoisin Motor. Pretty nice. That's not my piece of cake. I don't like heights. I'm getting older. Yeah, the view is just great. What else to say? Just great. Just came back from the cable car and now we are heading to the waterfall. Actually it's let's see from here, Durian Perangin waterfall. It takes about half an hour to drive from our hotel, so let's go. So we just arrived here in Durian Perangin waterfalls. I think I need to pay 2 ringgit for one person. Looks just perfect. So good morning. Let's see if we can find from the northern part of the island some crystal clear water. Today seems to be pretty nice. So let's go. We arrived to Black Sand Beach. Let's see if there's any black sand. Yeah, it's kind of black in some areas. think we found the perfect spot. So we find a good spot in here in Black Sand Beach. Not the crystal clear water, but I think it's because it's now been very windy in here. So, but private beach is always a good one. So there's no one around here, just empty beach. Okay, so it's dinner time, and tonight we're going to Pantai Senang, so about 10-minute scooter ride from Ombak Villa. So we just arrived to Pantai Senang, and now we're gonna find the Thai food restaurant here. I think it's somewhere here. So we found our Thai food restaurant. I don't know what to say. Just Thai food, but without no spices at all. So no fish sauce, no chili. These birds are like yelling at us. A lot of birds. There's quite a lot of trees, so you can tie your hammock or just put your blanket on here or sarong. Tomorrow is the last full day here in Langkawi. Wednesday morning. No, it's Tuesday morning. We're going back to Kuala Lumpur and spend 3 nights there. First we need to wrap up this trip here in Langkawi. Last call for our flight. Let's go take a seat for an hour.
Good morning. Thank you so your right, sir.
just arrived to Kuala Lumpur, and we are not in a hurry because it's 10:30 and check-in starts at the hotel 3 o'clock p.m. Had a lot of time. Now we need to get our bags and take a taxi to the centrum, because I checked yesterday that it's same if you take a metro or taxi, price would be same and easier, of course. KLCC Park.